Since our printer knows where the form perimeters are, there isn't all this extra mud in this corner that has to be moved over to here and stuff like that. We know what we know because we failed a lot of times.
Right. Explain to me, how is it better to use a 3D printer to do this versus like building a box and filling it with concrete? Isn't it faster?
Well, first thing is I don't have to have a crew of guys show up and put up forms. We print the forms. For backfilling, instead of a concrete truck trying to get it all back where it's supposed to be, and you got guys screeding it, trying to pull the mud and get it so that you can put screeds. You've seen people go back and forth. We're able to distribute it precisely. And since our printer knows where the form perimeters are, there isn't all this extra mud in this corner that has to be moved over to here and stuff like that. And then to put a screeding system on our Z-axis, it'll get it really, really close so that you can get on it with a power trowel. You've seen them people walking on big 6 blades that are turning like this here. And then of course stamping afterwards. Every day we get challenged. We got a guy right now that wants us to build one that does a 40-foot wall. He does commercial buildings. He either does lift slab or block wall right now. I just want to print a 40-foot wall, and then I want to pump fill it. I'll put the rebar in it, do everything else. I just want to pump fill it. Every day we get challenged with new things. We were asked by a contractor that says, I don't want to pay to pump insulation afterwards. Can you create something on the head of your printer that will blow the insulation out when it's all done? Because it knows where the center of the wall is all the way around. We thought, sure, no, that's no problem. And we thought at first, we'll just blow it in from the top at 8 feet. But it kept getting clogged up and wasn't getting consistently all the way down, the density all the way up. We know what we know because we failed a lot of times.
Right.
Okay.
Rapid prototyping.
Honestly, we fail. We fail. I mean, if you know what WD-40 means, we discovered if we blow it every 12 inches, it's consistent.
It's consistent, right.
And it's more code, but we just keep adding new things.
New things, right. Continuous innovation, pushing forward, coming up with better things to just take this market to the next level. Thanks for listening to The Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please, please, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. Thanks.